Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Barney doing nothing now.
The smell of the hay, the sound of the animals. He had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. Okay.
Oh, look. Oh, I like that one a lot. Isn't it? Look. One.
Oh, I know someone whose favorite number is 3.
No, ducks are boring. We could do that later. Come on. Squished.
Pig, I bet these crumbs are on.
Hello, Arnold. You all right then?
Let's have a go then, Arnold. Give us some bread. Wow, the pond's frozen over. Do you think they're all right?
Of course they are. Come on, let's go.
Up you get then. Keep going.
Come on, Kipper.
Coming. Just a moment enough to drink.
What's up? Ducks like their bread in water. Chuck it in.
It's soaked already. Eat up.
Yes, please. Now you've done it, there's none left.
Ooh, what's going on? Oh, that sounds like ducks. Have you all come for breakfast? Oh, wait here then, I'll see what I've got. White bread or brown bread?
Her Bluey.
Thank you. Ducks.
How many ducklings are following Mommy Duck? Let's count them and see. Come on, ducklings. Come
Look at all those ducks.
I see a trip outside in your future. Jeez, this place is lousy with ducks.
They're migrating north for the summer. But you know, we could always use a bigger crowd.
These quackers are keeping me up.
Me too. How about a game of cards?
I tried to count sheep, but they kept turning into ducks.
Still.
A teensy bit. Oh! Yourself. Oh!
Tonight.